What is going on, guys? So today has been a slow day as well. Barely any calls. I got with one of my buddies. He owns a towing company, and I asked him like how business was this week for him, and he said it's been very, very slow. So at least it's not affecting just me, it's actually affecting him and other companies around as well. So, what is better than, what do you call it? What is better than to enjoy this nice, slow day? Here, I'm just gonna do this. Get around them. There you go. Oh, shit. Yeah. Alright, guys, continuation to that. I'm sorry I had to get with local PD and everything. It was a pretty bad accident. But I had to get my dash cam footage and everything for for the PD. It was a good thing I was here. But yeah, it's one of those down days, you know. You might never know what you're gonna get into when you're recording. But what are the odds of that? But let's go through this car wash. It's one of those slow days. But yeah, time for a car wash. And see, my buddy's drivers came by to help clear up that accident and everything. Really good friends with the owner of that towing company. But they were quick to respond. They got there with due diligence and everything, so it's good. But that was just insane. I happened to be right there when it happened. And I helped direct traffic too. I got into the intersection. Ambulance showed up first because I was on the phone with dispatch trying to get emergency crews over. And luckily that ambulance or that EMS shut down one lane and had the lights activated, and I have my lights activated. I'm in the intersection. Law enforcement showed up after I moved my vehicle to direct traffic. Law enforcement says I'm clear to move out of the out of that lane and park on the side to get my dash cam footage, because I told him I'm downloading it and everything. He said, yeah, I need that video. So I had his number. I recorded everything on my phone and sent it straight to him. But yeah, that woman, she ran a red light. So I mean, it's unfortunate to actually have that happen. You know, if you are paying attention, if you weren't distracted. Looks like that guy don't even care about his job. But yeah, it is what it is. She ran a red light right in front of the nice guy that was going through the intersection. Yeah, he was trying to go through the intersection. He had his mother in the passenger seat, and she's kind of hurt. But it is what it is. But let's go through his car wash. Yeah. But yeah, on slow days like this, when there's not much going on, you know, go through a car wash, get my vehicle looking good. But another thing too, like I had another call last night. Not trying to bash any companies out there, but what's the point in calling me out to someone in need if they've been sitting there for, what do you got, for 3 hours waiting for someone to come by to help this person out, when I'm only like 10 minutes down the road and I could give this person some help. My mirror. It's just ridiculous on how they didn't dispatch me until 10 minutes prior to me arriving, but it took 3 hours for this guy to get some help. I mean, it's just ridiculous. But it is what it is. I'm not trying to bash any companies, but if you got drivers that are available for emergency roadside assistance, like, dispatch the driver, man. I can't believe I caught all that on video. But it is what it is, man. That's mind-boggling right there. Let me fix my mirror real quick. They already cleared the scene and everything. Both vehicles are totaled. But yeah, man. That is insane. I was recording right at that time. But I'm gonna go back to the shop and fill up my air tank. Always get prepared for any kind of emergency calls that may come up. So that's basically all I got today for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end it off here and do some video edits and post this video. But anyways, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later.